Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today is a lazy Sunday and I'm like going to do a hair oil massage on my hair, and right now I'm not wearing any makeup, you can see, because I was just like I'm so tired and I'm just going to take care of I'm going to do hair care today, and I'm going to show you how I take care of my hair, how I do that hair oil chumpy, I must say, and how I take care of my hair on lazy Sundays. So today I'm going to show you that. So beauties, without delaying, let's get started. Please, first of all, let me show you how I apply my hair on my scalp, how I do a chumpy. But before doing that, let me show you which hair oil I uses. I uses this Nature Sure Thumba oil. Many of you are aware of it. This is an amazing magical oil. This includes so many oils. It has mustard oil, it has til oil, it has then coconut oil, it has camphor oil, it has bringraj, it has thumba oil, and there are so many oils. So I just thought, instead of applying coconut oil once mustard oil, I think I should apply all of them together. So this is a mixture of all oils, and this is like a amazing and the best hair oil, and this is super duper affordable. This is like under rupees 250 or 200, I must say. I'm going to share the link. If you are interested in buy this Thumba hair oil, I'm going to share the link of this product. This is for extreme hair growth, for extreme thickness, for baldness, and there are many solutions of this. So I usually apply this only on Sundays. Every Sunday I give a chumpy to my hair with this hair oil because this works amazingly. And today also I'm going to do that. You can see half of the bottle is empty because I am using it like from so many times, like from so many Sundays I'm doing this, and this is like too good, and it helped me a lot in growing my hair long. Seriously, it helped me a lot. I want to grow my hair long, like so long. So that's why I'm doing this hair oil chumpy every Sunday. So beauties, let's get started, and I'm going to show you one trick also to grow your hair faster, which is in the end of this video, so just keep watching. So friends, now let me show you how you have to apply it. I'm taking a little amount of it, you can see. Now you have to massage it on the scalp like this. This also helps a lot in making your hair black and making your hair strong and shiny too. So I apply it like this. This is so soothing and so good. And hair oil, after massaging it for like 10 to 15 minutes, beauties, you have to massage your head, your scalp like this. Do it very fast and just make sure you are beauties, you have to do it like this on your scalp like this. What it will do, it will gonna increase the blood circulation, making your pores and everything good, and it also helps you a lot in growing your hair like this. So beauties, after applying hair oil, I have made a top knot or top bun, whatever you called it. So in beauties, in the starting of this video, I have told you that I'm going to give you a useful tip that how to grow your hair faster. So for that, what you have to do, and many of you ask me actually that why I wear this poly bag or shower cap or a head cap after applying hair oil or any hair pack. This is because beauties, what this poly bag or any hair, you have to make sure you have to cover your hair. What it will gonna do, it will gonna help you a lot in moisturizing your hair very deeply and very intensely like this. After applying hair oil every time, what you have to do, you have to wear one cap like this, like this. What it will gonna do, it will do like a spa kind of thing. It will gonna moisture your head deeply and very intensely, and it will also gonna open your head pores, which will gonna help you in growing your hair 3 times faster. Trust me, it works amazingly. Cap around my head, I just make sure my head should be covered, and around 6 p.m. in the evening I wash my head with normal shampoo and then I condition it. And beauty, just go and try this, at least do this 2 to 3 Sundays, and you will see the drastic change on your hair. Trust me. And this Thumba hair oil, let me show you again. This Thumba hair oil is literally a magical hair oil. This is like amazing. This is a mixture of every good hair oil. I'll share the link of this product also in my description box so that you can buy it. So beauties, hope you have liked this, hope you have enjoyed it, hope you have liked my Sunday hair care, and please subscribe my channel, please give me a thumbs up, do follow me on Instagram, or if you have any requested video, just comment it in the comment section and I'm surely gonna do it for you. So beauties, see you in my coming video. Bye and take care.